Next, we're going to create our tile map, and this is the part where we are going to design the look of our platform. So we're going to double click to open up our Create New Object Type dialog box. We'll go to General and we'll choose Tile Map. And after we click Insert, we can click with our crosshair. And this opens up an existing tile map that we may already have from previous pieces. You can clear that out by hitting Delete. We are going to open up again into our Kenny selection, and we're going to go to the folder called Tile Sheet and look for tilesheet_complete.png and click Open. And this is going to bring up a whole series of designs that we can use for our game. Once you see this, you can click the Exit Close button. And you can see that nothing has appeared on here yet, but it's highlighted. It's indicating that this is a space where we can put our tile map. What you'll need to do first is make sure that your tile map is still selected. And on the properties, you're going to roll down to the other section called Properties and change our tile width and our tile height to 64. That's the official size of the Kenny objects that are in here, and that's the size that we want it to be squared to. It can change if you have a different tile map, but this is a good practice is to know what size your tiles are in their highest resolution. Finally, we go down to the corner and we choose the Tile Map tab. And this is the Tile Map bar. What the Tile Map bar does is allows us to see all of the different types of tiles that we imported. So if, for instance, I choose that I want to use something like this object here as part of my tile, I will click on it, which will highlight it, and then I will go up to our pencil tool where we can draw the tiles, and over on my background I am going to start drawing by clicking and dragging and putting down a series of tiles that will make up my game. Now, if at any point I make a mistake, I can go back over to the eraser tool and I can just tap or swipe and clear off anything that I don't want to have in the game.